Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 5 deals with percent increase. It says at the dog toy factory, during the first week of March, 344 toys were produced. For the last week in March, 559 dog toys were produced. Find the percent increase in production from the first week to the last week in March. So percent increase has a formula. You take the new amount and you subtract out the old amount, then you divide that by the old amount, that will give you a decimal, and then you multiply that by 100 to give you the percent increase. So the new amount is 559 dog toys minus the old or original amount, which is 344 dog toys, divided by 344, which was the original amount. And after I find that value, I'll multiply it by 100. So if you punch 559 minus 344 into a calculator, you get 215. So 215 divided by 344 will give you 0.625. And the last step then is to take that decimal number and multiply it by 100 to express it as a percentage. When you multiply by 100, you're changing two place values. So we'll multiply and change two place values and find out that the percent increase is 62.5%.